Did you know that just 75 miles east of Cincinnati, you can find a 15,000-acre nature preserve of global importance? It is the Richard and Lucille Durrell Edge of Appalachia Preserve System, located in Adams County, Ohio. It is one of the largest privately owned preserves east of the Mississippi. It consists of 11 unique preserves, including the Ohio Brush Creek Swirl Preserve, Cedar Falls, the Wilderness, Buzzard Roost Rock, Red Rock, Lynx Prairie, Cave Hollow, Hanging Prairie, Germany Hill Prairie, Abner Hollow, and the Revachol Preserves. 4 of these sites have been recognized as national natural landmarks, testimony to their national ecological significance. Museum Center has been working with our collaborative partner, the Ohio chapter of the Nature Conservancy, to protect these areas for more than 50 years. The Edge of Appalachia is home to more than 50% of Ohio's native plants. It protects nearly 1,200 species of plants, 8 globally rare plant communities, and more than 100 state rare or endangered species. Although the Appalachian region is noted for its expansive forests, half of the uncommon plant species are prairie plants. Within the preserves, there are more than 100 prairie openings. The Edge provides a sanctuary for rare and endangered animal species such as the green salamander and Allegheny wood rat that live among the rock crevices and dolomite cliffs. There are endangered mussels that inhabit the free-flowing waters of Ohio Brush Creek and more than 110 breeding bird species. And for those curious enough to look, you'll find the highest lichen diversity in the state, here along with the second highest ant diversity in Ohio. The Edge is also a place for education. It serves as an interactive learning lab for researchers, scholars, and the public. Through a cooperative partnership established in 1988 with the Adams County Schools, approximately 2,000 students and their teachers visit annually to accompany naturalists on day-long field classes in the spring and fall. In the winter, our staff visit the school classrooms for continued science education. Staff also partner with other organizations to conduct region-wide educational programs like the Adams County Amish Bird Symposium, Flora Quest, Envirothon, Conservation Field Days, Brush Creek Sweep, and others. Our summer residential science camps have been educating children since 1978. Science campers are surrounded by nature, learning about stream life, birds, trees, wildflowers, insects, and Ohio's prairies. They study plant and animal identification, the scientific method, and learn about conservation issues, all while having fun. Through individual and foundation gifts, we are able to provide scholarships to Adams County children to attend camp, and in total are able to serve 120 children each summer. Started in 2004, our Advanced Naturalist Workshop Series is the most recent of the celebrated programs at the Edge. Each year there are 5 to 6 weekend workshops offered around specific topics like fish, moss, lichen, or wasps, among other topics. The scientists that conduct the workshops are often among the world experts in their field of study. Our resources for public education at the Edge received a significant boost with the opening of the Hewlett Center in 2008. Located on a bluff overlooking the scenic Ohio Brush Creek Valley, Hewlett Center is named for a devoted educator and naturalist from the region, Charles A. Hewlett. Former Ohio State Senator Doug White was inspired as a student growing up by Hewlett's passion for the outdoors. Senator White was integral in helping secure funds to build the center that now honors his teacher. The facility offers stunning views and is equipped with a state-of-the-art laboratory, catering kitchen, and multi-purpose rooms outfitted with high-tech audio-visual equipment. It offers visiting research quarters, multiple scenic decks, and ample classroom space. It has been instrumental in strengthening relationships with the surrounding communities. The ability to host more groups, visiting researchers, university students, business meetings, and corporate retreats has helped to make the preserve more accessible. Hewlett Center is truly the natural place to meet. Hewlett Center is named after an educator, and in fact, the history of the Edge of Appalachia Preserve System is full of passionate educators and supporters who work to protect these natural areas. Dr. E. Lucy Brown was a professor of botany at the University of Cincinnati from 1910 to 1971 and the earliest advocate for preserving this region. Along with her sister Annette, Lucy was a familiar figure wandering the forest of Adams County. She brought her classes, peers, and friends to Adams County, and through her tireless dedication, inspired them to join her cause. Among them were Richard and Lucille Durrell. The vision set forth by Lucy and continued by the Durrells is now carried forward by Cincinnati Museum Center, the Nature Conservancy, and numerous others who share in this passion for the Edge. Students, researchers, hikers, and naturalists enjoy visiting the Edge, and visitors number in the thousands annually. Supporters continue to help sustain the preserves as they have for more than 50 years. The Edge of Appalachia is a place unlike any other in the region, a place for education, conservation, research, discovery, enjoyment, and community.